What is up, introverted warriors? My name is Kawai and welcome to Social Abandon Strategies.
So the main question is this: how are introverts like us, who didn't use any special tricks to talk to others, can still be seen as confident? How do we manage to just stay in our room for most of the time and yet still make friends without being needy? And that is the big question that this channel will answer for you. Welcome to Social Abandon Strategies.
Welcome back, and very soon I'm gonna reveal the top 5 signs that you should look for to know whether an introvert likes you or not. So last night before I went to bed, I had this question that I was asking myself repeatedly in my mind. What do we introverts do to show people that we like them? The problem is that when we like them, we would like to make the feelings reciprocal. Human 101. But we don't know how to communicate that with them. We have absolutely no idea how to tell them that we like them without letting anybody else figure it out. Why? We are introverts, what did you expect? We don't usually enjoy being the center of attention, so we still give out signals every single day hoping that they will respond back. Unfortunately, they don't even notice. Because most of the time, the signs that we give out are too subtle that the extroverts think that it's normal. So in order for the fellow introverts to not get rejected without even noticing anymore, this morning I made notes on top 5 subtle things that introverts do to show their love, which I'm gonna share with you right now. Now before I begin, understand that not all introverts are the same. Not all introverts are shy, and not all introverts are bad at communication. Just look at me. Anyways, now the first subtle thing that introverts do to show their love is making the first move. Making the first move simply means,
hey.
Introverts don't usually start the conversations with people, so when they do, there is a possibility that they like you. But they just said hi. Yeah, of course, you constantly have to notice whether he or she is trying to grab your attention or make an effort to continue the conversation. Because just like every other humans, we will love to be around people that we love. And so the next subtle thing that we do is showing extra care. Now this one is not so subtle. I honestly think that extroverts should notice this one. When we introverts like others, we usually tend to show more care and interest in their lives. We try to find out what they are up to, about their stories, and we observe their behaviors. And when we found out about their difficulties, that's when we kill ourselves by making their problems ours. Stupid. And we try to give them valuable facts and advices and sometimes even carefully laid out plans to help them overcome their difficulties, and usually they will just turn it down and get on with their lives. I guess they just needed a pair of big ears to listen to their problems. Hey, talk to the world. Hey, the walls have ears. Hey. Anyways, let's go on to the third point, which is sharing. Introverts generally don't talk about themselves. They usually just listen to others' stories. But when they like you, it's a totally different story. Remember, they don't usually tell people about themselves. So when they're sharing a couple of stories about their childhood, there is a high chance that they like you. So for us introverts, when we like them, we usually trust them too. So we might share some secret of ours. Introverts are usually very mysterious and secretive. So when we are sharing our secrets and telling you about ourselves, then basically we are saying that here's my information to analyze and do some calculations and come to the conclusion that you and I are meant to be. So the fourth subtle thing that we do is getting personal. It is rare for us to talk about ourselves, so it is even more rare to invite you to come to our caves. Introverts generally enjoy having some alone time. We need some time alone to charge ourselves up to be able to socialize with people the next day. Home is where we love to be alone and where we enjoy and feel really safe to be at. That's the place that we read books alone, think about life, think about food, imagine things, reflect on ourselves, think about food, replay the scenes from our memories, try to come up with some solutions. Wait, did I mention food? Never mind, food. Anyways, the only people that we invite to our homes is our extremely close circle of friends. Our brothers and sisters with different blood. So if we invite you to come to our caves, come with pride. Because not everyone is allowed inside. And also, you can bet your liver that we like you. The last subtle thing that we do is wait, before I get to the last point, here's the bonus tip. When introverts like you, most of us are gonna be nervous and we don't know what to do or what to say. So when you say something, there is a high chance that you will not get a response from us immediately. Even if you do, it might not be a good response. So my tip is Give us some time to think about how and what to respond to your sentence as well, so that we will not come across as awkward in front of you. But yeah, it's gonna be awkward because after your statement and before our response, there's gonna be a brief moment of silence. But don't worry, because it shows that we are making an effort to continue the conversation and trying to make us look better in front of you and not so awkward. Now let's get to the last point, which is expression. The way we express ourselves. We express our thoughts and feelings to you, but not so much. We try to show you, but also sometimes we have second thoughts about our feelings after we reflect on ourselves. We might even try to conceal those feelings. But no matter what the odds, if you're looking for physical escalation or physical touch, even like holding hands, it's not gonna happen for the most of us. And most of us do not have the confidence or courage to touch you because we're nervous. And honestly, we're scared that you might get the wrong idea of us. So we might not touch you at all until we are 100% sure that you like us or some crazy idea gets into our minds. But the way that you can identify if introverts like you or not is by looking at the way that they express themselves in writing rather than face-to-face conversations. We introverts don't generally feel comfortable expressing ourselves to you when you're staring right into our eyes. So we feel much more comfortable hiding behind our phones and having the time to think of how we could efficiently express ourselves to you. And exactly how our messages are going to affect your perspectives on us. Like, are you going to think that I'm arrogant if I say this? Am I going to come across as inconsiderate if I say this? Oh, what should I reply to make it think that I'm fun to be with? Like I said, we need time to think and come up with the best responses that we can to impress you with our unique abilities. So yeah, there you have it. The top 5 subtle signs to look for in us to know whether we like you or not. If you think you can relate to these signs, comment down below. And that's all for today.
Hey introverted warriors, thanks for watching. If you'd like to learn how to properly embrace your introverted qualities without feeling insecure, like the video, subscribe to this channel to be one of the introverted warriors, and watch another video of social dependence strategies, and we'll talk again very soon. Remember, one right mindset is all it takes.